Oh my god.
Sounds insane.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are in the Triple S at the moment and we are on our way to meet up with our friend Paul, and Paul owns UJELUS S15. You guys would have seen him in the video where we picked up his immaculate Triple S. I'll link it right up here if you guys haven't seen it already. So today we're going to be doing a video on Paul's beautiful UJELUS S15 because Paul is going to be putting something very special on it that's going to make it look amazing and especially sound amazing as well. So I am so pumped. Sorry guys, this speed bumps are just a joke here. But yeah, I'm honestly so pumped to hear this thing on the car, see it on the car, and yeah, I'm going to bring you guys along. I'll catch up with you guys when I meet up with Paul. Alright guys, just got the pause and here he is with the goods, mate. How are you, bro?
What's happening, boys?
What have you got there, man?
Oh, just some blasties, eh? Big fat blasties.
These are full custom. What does that say on the side?
Oh, I don't know, a little something.
Little UJELUS, bro, that is sick. Full custom. UJELUS Blasties for the UJELUS mobile.
That's it.
Bro, and this thing is looking so shiny after that attention to detail.
Shout out to attention to detail detailing.
Bro. Jacob from Attention to Detail, bro. I showed it in the last video. Wow, it's actually
really
still
good
looking proper. He's got to do the S15 next. I'm so excited to hear this, eh?
Yeah, bro, so keen. Like, keen to put this on. It's gonna
Dude, you've got the carbon.
Yeah, got a little carbon exhaust shroud thingy as well.
Bro,
it actually looks cracker.
That is fully sick. So what's done to your exhaust like right now?
So right now it's just a straight custom exhaust from the turbo back.
Yeah.
I think it's 3-inch all the way. It has a resonator and it has a massive muffler, obviously where the exhaust is currently.
Yeah.
So, and we've got the X-Force twin tips, but hopefully now we're getting rid of this muffler.
This should really open it up, bro. Like really open it. Because what is this, an X-Force?
It's an X-Force, yeah. So it's twin 3-inches, which is the same as this, but obviously now it's not going to have a muffler. It's going to be straight through. Bro, I'm actually so curious, eh? Like, I reckon it's going to sound fat. It's going to look so good too. Yeah, bro, with the blue tips as well, with a blue car.
Bro, I'm actually pumped, eh? Like, you must be like freaking out.
I want to, bro. I've always wanted to put like a different exhaust on this because, I mean, it looks nice in stock now, but I've always wanted to just experiment with it and see how it sounds.
I mean, that's the good thing with exhaust, bro. Just trial and error, try different things. Especially with something like this, you can always chop and change whenever you want. But we'll do some before and afters too, guys. Exhaust clips, all that stuff. So we'll get a good comparison of what it sounds like now and then what it's going to sound like with the blast pipe. So proper keen. If you guys don't already know, this thing is cammed. It's on A85 and it sounds really, really good. How much power are you making again, Paul?
260 kilowatt at the moment.
Damn.
So about 350 horse, but
it's got a cheeky external gate as well.
Yeah, cheeky gate.
Cheeky gate.
Cheeky gate, that's it.
And 78 works tail lights, full proper.
A85 starts for everyone. It doesn't start first time ever. So got to get the fuel pump priming. Like this cold start is not that good. So it's usually like second or third try.
No way.
So that E85 light. And it usually wants to die out as well.
Bro, literally, that E85 life, that's crazy. I didn't know it was this bad.
Yeah, bro, look at that.
Bro, it's that crazy.
Yeah, in the mornings, especially when it's cold, like it doesn't start up.
Bro, what?
If I give it gas even sometimes.
Bro, no way. That's actually crazy.
So now it's sweet.
Bro. Oh, the A85 smell. Do you reckon you'll smell more A85 with the blasties on?
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's going to be like less muffled and stuff.
Less muffled. And
it'll come more of it will come out.
I reckon you'll see big clouds, bro.
I can already smell, I love that smell, man.
In the morning, it's just amazing.
Bro, I could smell Air85 all day. It's so worth it. All those trying to start it just for the smell, bro. You smell us.
You smell us. You're jealous.
We'll let it warm up, guys, and then yeah, we'll do some before sound clips, and we'll head down to the exhaust shop. I swear this thing sounds so good. I'm just gonna turn on the GoPro. It's all in the right settings. Sick. You can kind of hear how muffled it is a little bit. Yeah. You can hear a bit of the muffle.
It is muffled.
Proper keen. Dude. That is insane, man. Bro, I'm so excited to be a passenger in this again, bro. Like, I swear, the last time I was a passenger in this, it was on a cruise like ages ago, eh?
It was a while ago.
And like, you had a jerry can in the back seat, so like my front seat was up here, my legs were on the dash, but it was so worth it.
Jordan was crammed in.
I was so crammed. Bro, it's so dark without a sunroof.
It is, eh? It's a full
But there's more headroom, eh?
There is. You get more headspace, but...
Bro. I can't get over that dose. That is so much better than a T28, bro.
It's very unique.
It's so deep.
It is. It's like a big boy. Yeah.
I'm actually obsessed with that, bro. That gate crack, bro.
Just a tiny crack.
That's mad. Nothing beats gate, man. Absolutely. That is sick.
Not as good as a T28, but...
You've got a dose when you go through Croydon and Sands, guys. It's just standard. Especially in an S15. You can't not do it.
That's it.
That Croydon life.
What a day for it.
I know, eh? It's such a good day for a cruise, bro. It's a good day to get some blasties.
And it's Jordan's birthday, so everyone wish Jordan a happy birthday.
Thanks, bro. It's my birthday today. 25 years old, man. It's actually weird. It doesn't feel like I'm 25, bro.
We're still kids, no?
I know. I'm gonna have a mid-20s crisis, bro. It feels weird.
That's it.
Yeah, thanks, bro.
It's all good, bro.
Oof. Bro, I'm full obsessed with that, bro. Bro, some of the workers were just judging. The walkers were judging so hard, bro.
They're all staring.
You know what they are? They're jealous. They're jealous.
You're jealous.
Proper jealous. Bro, that will never get old, man. I can't stop smiling, bro.
Yeah, it beats every noise on the world. Those and gate can't get
together,
yeah,
bro. What a sound. Bro, that is nuts. Oh my god.
When it's about to touch wastegate pressure and you let off.
Yeah. It's like a deep pigeon.
Yeah, it is. It's like a manly pigeon.
A manly pigeon. Bro. Man, that is nuts.
You get every noise out of this car.
I'm actually obsessed, bro. We've been driving together for so long, but far out, it is so different being in the car, man.
It is. Like when I went in your car, it's a completely different experience.
It's crazy. I actually can't get over it. Alright guys, we're pulling into Precision Mufflers now. They've done a few of my cars, they've done the Tibby, I'll link it up here as well. So we're gonna suss it out, see if they can do the 15, put it on the hoist. But yeah, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Alright, so we're just sussing out the blast pipe before we put it on, because this is like the last time we're gonna see it, I guess, before it goes on the car.
Before it goes on the actual car, yeah.
But bro, the quality of the welds on this is literally insane. It's got the brand on the other side.
Scope Performance.
Scope Performance. You got it made in Queensland?
Yeah, got it done in Queensland, got it shipped over.
Damn.
Look at these welds here as well. Crazy.
Bro, quality, scope, and yeah, we got the special UJELUS there as well. Like, this is proper quality.
Yeah.
So I'll link their Instagram here.
Scope Performance.
Sick. I'll link their details, but yeah, suss it out.
do, not can do.
Not gonna do. To some customers, huh? Not gonna do.
Bro, what do you reckon, Paul?
I'm so happy with it, how it looks and everything. And you know, the owner John here is mad. Like, he's such a funny guy. He takes care of you. Like, the stuff that he does to the cars, like, you can tell he's been in. He said he's been in the business for 37 years. So
yeah, literally,
he does quality work.
Exactly, bro. Goes above and beyond. I take all my cars here. All my friends go here. John's just a proper legend.
Yeah, we highly recommend him.
I'm not supposed to wave at him.
Hi. Hi guys.
Looks really good. This part's been painted black as well, because I guess that'll be visible when you're seeing this. So yeah, it just a proper quality job. Paul's proper loving it.
Oh bro, I'm in love with it.
Full filming the underside. Happy with the quality.
Love the quality. Fucking crack the work.
Wow, man, what have you done?
What have I done, mate?
What have you done?
Big stick out jobs.
This is the moment of truth, bro. I've been waiting for this.
That is loud.
Oi.
Oh my god. Bro, the cam.
Oh my god.
Bro.
That sounds mean, bro.
That is loud.
Oh my god. I'm gonna get UJELUS. Oh, what have you done, bro?
My car sounds mean.
What have you done? Oh my god.
Holy shit.
How do you feel, bro?
Bro. It sounds insane.
That is nuts, bro. Oh my god. Bro, the cam, it sounds like a muscle car.
The cam is insane.
Bro, that's insane.
Bro.
Wow, wow, wow.
Oh my god. I am speechless.
Do you want me to give it a brap?
I reckon give it a brap, yeah.
Do you want to hold the camera?
Hold that, yep.
That's cracked. It sounds tough.
Ready?
Yep, give it a brap. There's the 85 spitting out everywhere. And look at all the 85, bro.
Fucking hell.
The 85 like.
Bro,
that's
warm up for a bit, eh?
Yeah.
Fucking hell. That is insane. I'm so happy.
Oh yeah, that's
with that,
nuts,
eh?
bro. That is proper nuts. Yeah. Sounds nuts, but it actually sounds like a rotary wrapping idle. Yeah, we've got the GoPro on the back here. We're gonna get some mad clips to hear what it sounds like now. This is proper. This is actually insane. Bro, I'm so pumped, man. This is gonna be the first time hearing it.
I can't believe this. It's so loud already. Oh my. Oh.
Holy shit!
This car is loud.
Bro, what a note!
Loud.
What an engine note, man! Oh, that sounds mean, bro! Holy shit!
Wow. The idle as well, bro.
Oi, Paul, this is a monster now, you know that.
This car is insane.
You've unleashed the inner beast.
Oh, the SR20 is in full raw.
Oh, man, what an engine note, man.
Oh my god, I can't.
can't.
believe it. On the low revs.
Bro, it's raspy. It's like a nice rasp.
I love that.
Nice tone.
Fuck.
Oh, bro, this is insane. Oh, there's a tunnel.
Oh my god.
There's a tunnel up there.
There's a tunnel, boys. You know what's happening?
Oh.
Fucking hell, it sounds good.
Oh, dude.
Oh my god. Oh, this car is cool.
Oh, brother.
Oh, this car is something else now. That transformed it.
This is gonna be it was already fun to drive
Oh my god.
and to be in, but now it's like on steroids.
Wow.
Wow, bro. Snapping necks.
My God. This thing sounds crazy.
Proper there.
Proper there. Proper car.
Proper.
Proper.
You know what it is? It's good.
It's good. 98
It's good.
It is good.
The cafe goers here don't know what they're gonna see. Someone just said, "Oh my God."
UJELUS.
Oh, what a note!
Imagine this in a tunnel.
Oh man. Oof.
She snapped.
Yeah, she was jealous. Oh wow! The gate is so much louder. Oh my God!
I can't believe this, how loud it is.
It's screaming like an actual monster, bro. Like the gate is just wow.
Car's not normal anymore.
It's actually not.
It used to be a bit normal.
I know. Wow.
Oh my God, it does sound different.
That is
100% confirmed.
Oh my God. There's a tunnel coming up.
Tunnel coming up.
Oh my God. Alright, we're gonna get some flybys for you guys now. The idle, which is next level. Wow. I'm just gonna walk down the street here and yeah, so we can get a good vantage point. Oh my God.
Is that good?
Next level, bro. Next level. Oh man. It's all done, got to drive it. What do you reckon, man?
Insane. I'm so happy, bro. Like, I can't believe how much it's changed the nose. It's just, and the look as well. Like, it's amazing, man.
It's honestly like the sound. It's better, way better than I expected.
Yeah, me too. Way better than I expected. And like, I was hoping that we're gonna do a good job. And like, I was skeptical at first because I didn't want to take it to a dodgy shop. And highly recommend the shop.
Yeah,
it's amazing, and it turned out so nice.
Absolute legend, bro. Do you want Precision Mufflers? If you want your car to sound this good, bro, the quality work,
crazy.
Just absolutely proper. So I'll link all the stuff for Precision Mufflers down below. Yeah, definitely recommend, guys. Absolute legend. And this was so much fun, Paul. Honestly, so much fun. If you guys want to follow the build, follow Paul's stuff, the Instagrams will be right here. All right, I'll leave the video there, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time on That Car Life.